Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving ownership. That's the core. Verify the account email or phone still accessible and locate purchase receipts or device serials if they exist. Once done, enable or confirm alternative two-factor methods, an authenticator app or backup SMS, so you won't be locked out again. This reduces friction with support. Make sure to note recovery codes and save them offline. They are the fastest route to regain access when passwords are hidden or lost. Proceed through the official recovery flow in the app or website because it's designed to verify you legally and repair access. Enter your email or phone and complete the verification codes. If the automated path rejects you, prepare evidence, purchase receipts, device serial, or ID, and upload it when prompted. Once you've submitted a request, note the ticket number and expected response time. This formal channel preserves your account integrity and prevents finish by following any support instructions exactly. Respond quickly to requests for more documents so they can verify ownership and restore access. If the app is device-bound and support confirms no account options remain, consider a factory reset as a last resort, only on devices you own and after backing up data. Once restored, set a strong new password, store recovery codes offline, and enable backups. If things go wrong, contact support again with the ticket ID and escalate politely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.